So this came out of Mecum. And this is special. One of one. It was on the cover of a magazine. You got your gold certification. Do you feel like you got time for an interview right now? You want to stand in front of it? That'd be great. Or just buy it. So, what's the year, make, and model?
This is a 1967 Chevy SS 427 L72. It's the only known one that we are aware of the 427 L72. Because the last 4 weeks of production during 67, Chevy authorized the 427 L72. They sent out letters to all the dealers. So for that last month, basically, they said, hey, if someone wants a passenger vehicle with the 427 L72, we'll do it. They know that 25 motors were ordered, and for sure they know that at least one went into a car. This has been the only one that's ever surfaced, and it's been known since 75. So it's been documented back to 75 out of Vegas and stuff like that. And so in 75, it wasn't worth it to fake it.
Yeah.
Value-wise, it just didn't make sense to try to fake it. And so it got featured in Muscle Machines magazine, and my dad, he wanted it. So a couple years ago, it came up to Mecum auction, and it went home with us.
Amazing.
Yeah, she's, as far as we are aware, she's still all numbers matching, all factory.
So is it designated as an SS, or is it Chevelle, or is it Malibu?
SS.
Wow, okay. So that makes it super rare.
Yes. Very, very rare.
And what year did you guys get this in? Do you know the year?
2022.
That's cool.
Maybe 21, but I believe it's...
So you already have like a crown jewel, and now you're just putting another jewel in the crown, because this is really impressive. Do you know anything beyond Mecum, who the owner was?
I believe it's written up in the 8-page write-up in the magazine, I believe, all the details and stuff like that. But I personally am not 100% familiar. I know it came out of Vegas.
Okay.
And so past that, I'm not the most familiar with it, I'm afraid, on that part.
And when you got it, was it in this condition, or did you guys have to do anything?
Haven't had to do anything to it.
Very cool. And future plans?
Keep it.
Keep it and just maintain it?
It does hold, I believe, I don't know if it's a world record, but at least Guinness records for, I forget exactly what, but they threw it down the track, and it did a quarter mile in 13.6 at 105.
That is really fast for a heavy car.
Oh yeah.
So I have a light car that does it in 13. So that's cool. Wow, so it's got a manual.
Yep.
Which makes it even cooler.
4-speed, yeah, factory 4-speed.
Yeah, it's really set up cool in there. I'll do a walk around. Well, okay.
It's got a rare telescoping steering wheel in it.
Okay. Wow.
It's got a lot of cool little features to it, built to the gills.
Did it have the magazine come with it, or did you guys have to track that down?
No, we bought a couple copies of it.
Wow, that's cool that you guys put that all together.
They got taken to the Chevy Nationals, and all the judges there signed off on it.
I bet they went
2 out of 1,000.
They went crazy. I bet they were going as nuts as I am, if not more, because they're more educated.
They spent 6 hours or something like that, just pouring over every detail, checking every tag, every plate number, everything.
Okay.
And they certified it as 992 out of 1,000 as original.
This is amazing. Well, I don't know what to say, but thanks for bringing it out. How's it drive?
Like a boat.
Yeah.
But it's fun.
A boat with a lot of power, a lot of torque. Well,
I don't want to get in trouble with it, so I treat it very
nice. Be nice to it. Well, I'm going to do a walk around. Is there anything that I wouldn't notice that might be a factory feature that I wouldn't notice?
The telescoping head or steering column and things like that.
Okay.
That's a pretty rare factory option.
Power steering, I see. That's cool. Yeah.
Like I said, she scored. Yeah,
is that the certificate?
That's the gold star certificate, gold stamp certificate.
I mean, that makes this car just amazing that you had people that knew. Wasn't it a unique hood? I've never seen that before.
Very unique hood, only to SS's.
Yeah, I've never seen that before. I've literally never seen one of these at a car show. And like I said, I did 100 last year alone. So I do a lot. Nice vinyl top, still looks clean.
All original vinyl top still. She's unrestored.
Got SS hubcaps. Ah, beautiful.
Yeah, this is still the original floor pan and everything.
Wow. You guys got an undercarriage shot?
Yep.
That is so cool. Wow.
That's the undercarriage.
This thing is clean. Amazing.
Still original stickers.
And is there a light in this trunk?
I don't know if there actually is. I've got the battery.
Okay. I saw the wire and I was just wondering. I've never seen anything this year with the light. That's cool. Well, I really appreciate it. This is a treasure.
Of course.
This is absolute a pleasure that I'm just honored that you would do an interview with me. Thank you so much.
Well, the thing is, with cars and things like that, they're no fun unless you share them.
Oh.
Because, I mean, it's cool and fun to have them in your collection and whatnot, but if you don't take them to shows, you don't show them, you don't share them, they're not so fun.
I couldn't agree more, because it makes me really sad when I see people that store them and you never see them.
Yep.
Very cool. Thank you.
We've got 13 cars, and these are just 2 of the 13 that we've got.
Awesome.